Morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and Thursday is Claims Day. This is your pre opening comment video number 922 for Thursday morning, the 2nd of September. Okay, let's get to the numbers. Claims, initial claims, 340,000. That's down 13,000, and that is a new post-pandemic low. It's still well above the 200 to 250 number that was pre-pandemic, but it is moving in the right direction. Also, continuing claims 2,748,000, also a new pandemic low by a touch. Productivity 2.1 versus 2.3 last month versus 2.4 estimate. When productivity moves up, it just means we're doing more with less people in the workforce, which is not necessarily a good thing. So because productivity is declining, unit labor costs are up 1.3%, and that makes all the sense in the world. Okay, trade balance, negative 70.1 billion. That's about as expected, down from the pandemic high of negative 75 billion, but still an awfully high number. Okay, Asia and Europe, both mixed. Stocks in the news. Moderna looking for approval for the booster. Stock is 396, that's up 7. CHWY missed top and bottom line. Stock is trading this morning 79, down 843 or 9.6%. The Baxter deal with Hill-Rom looks like 156. The stock is trading 150 and a half, up 5 and a half. Signet, the jeweler that everyone loves to hate, beat top and bottom and gave good guidance. The stock is 86 and a quarter, and that's up 559 or 6.3%. Five Below had okay numbers. The stock had closed yesterday 216.05, up 3, but traded right down to 195.17. Last is 197.90, down 18.15 or 8.4%. C3AI, symbol AI, also a beat. Stock is trading 49.02, and that's down 4.09. It was down last night also. And Land's End 32, down 233 or 6.5%. Even though sales were good, margins are declining. The oil was down overnight, has worked its way back to up 33. Nat gas taking a little bit of a rest, down 1.4 cents. On the news, gold is basically unchanged, down 1. Silver down 8.5 cents. The futures are about in line where they were before all the economic numbers came out. The Dow's implied open was about up 70. It's now up 90. NASDAQ is up about 48 and a half, and the S&P looks to be up about 11. So nothing really overwhelming. A dollar or two in either direction after the numbers. All right, everyone, that's your pre-opening comment. I want to remind everyone that we now have a $25,000 gold-only futures trading program that is run by Dennis Marlowe, who is up about 170% year to date in all futures and up about 70% in the gold only portfolio. These are pretty extreme numbers, and you have to remember that there are both tax advantages to trading futures as well as these markets are open basically 23 hours a day, and using stops in them, as Dennis does, is protective. But more importantly, you get those overnight moves that we can't trade in options on the ETFs, and that gives a huge advantage. I can't tell you the number of times that I've mentioned here about and the nat gas is really the biggest one where I've seen a pullback coming, and we got that pullback between 8 o'clock at night and 2 o'clock in the morning, and by the time the options opened, they were higher. Our last potential trade in UNG was that. So, if you want to be involved, this is an excellent way to do it. Feel free to give me a call and I will send you the information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a good morning and be careful out there. Tomorrow's job numbers are the big move